Let's talk about the benefits of using local or global virtual network peering. The network traffic between the peered virtual networks remains private. That means that the traffic between the virtual networks is kept on the Microsoft backbone network. There is no public internet, there is no public gateway, neither an encryption is required in communication between the virtual network. A low latency, high bandwidth connection between the resources in different virtual networks is always maintained. That ensures highest performance. Once the virtual network is peered, the resources in one virtual network will be able to communicate with resources in a different virtual network. With VNet peering, you will be able to transfer data across Azure subscriptions, different deployment models, and also across Azure regions. On top of it, most of the businesses look for no downtime. So there is no disruption to your businesses because there is no downtime to resources in either virtual network when creating the peering or after the peering is created. The default VNet peering configuration provides full connectivity.